This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms.
Beat around the bush. This means to avoid talking about something directly or to speak in a vague or unclear way.
Stop beating around the bush and just tell me what you want me to do.
Call it a day. This means to stop working or doing something for the rest of the day.
It's getting late and we've been working for hours. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow.
Cutting corners. This means to do something quickly and without proper care, often to save time or money.
I know we're behind schedule, but we can't cut corners on this project or the quality will suffer.
Face the music. This means to accept the consequences of your actions, even if they are unpleasant.
I know you didn't want to tell your boss the truth, but now you have to face the music and deal with the consequences.
Get cold feet. This means to feel nervous or afraid about doing something you plan to do.
I was going to ask her out on a date, but I got cold feet at the last minute.
Hit the nail on the head. This means to be exactly right or to find the correct solution.
You hit the nail on the head with that suggestion. That's exactly what we need to do.
In the same boat. This means to be in a similar situation or to share the same problem.
I know you're having trouble finding a job, but don't worry. We're in the same boat and we'll figure it out together.